I'm having trouble because this stroke renders, this is my dominant hand, renders me with problems. I can't get things on or button things up on my own. Wonderful things I used to love before I had the stroke, like driving, putting on my bra, putting on makeup, doing my hair. I no longer can do those things right now, and I have to have something I can do. When you no longer can do the things that you were doing prior to something devastating in your life, it starts to mess with your mental health, to be honest with you. I found myself sinking into depression and requiring a little more help than I wanted to say. So she sat down and went over it with the engineer and devised a device for me to be able to use. And let me tell you something, it has been a life changer. Once I realized how I could use it, I was happy. I was really happy. I can do this myself. I don't have to call, my children to give me a hand or my husband. I can just slide it over me, put my arms in there, and then just look to the closure. It is hard to be a female vet, in the sea full of males, and for somebody to really work with you, to get something devised for you that you be able to work with, is truly a blessing.